हे गाइस, आपको ये सेटअप थोड़ा वियर्ड लग रहा होगा। हम लोग अभी मेरे घर के बालकनी में एंड दिस इज़ लाइक अ स्टार्ट टू अ जर्नी दैट आई वांट टू प्रेजेंट थ्रू सोशल मीडिया बेसिकली। मैंने मुझे व्लॉग्स बनाने का बहुत मन था एंड आई डिड स्टार्ट। आपने देखा होगा, मैं लास्ट वीडियो मैंने भी व्लॉग ट्राई किया था यूके में बनाने के लिए एंड आफ्टर दैट यूनिवर्सिटी जस्ट कॉट अप टू मी। काम ज़्यादा हो गया एंड देन राइट नाउ आई एम इन इंडिया, बैक इन माई होम कंट्री। और फॉर दिस समर वेकेशन आई थॉट कि यार मैं आई स्टार्ट माई वीडियो व्लॉगिंग एंड वीडियो एडिटिंग, but the problem came in. I just started procrastinating a lot, like a lot. Right now I don't want to touch any work. University थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा टोल ले लिया and a lot of my friends are working into internships and all. Very honestly, the work, the line of work I am in, I am right now studying as a VFX student in the UK, and the line of work I'm in, I'm not finding as many jobs or internships here in India. So looking for opportunities outside also मुझे मिला नहीं, क्योंकि they were asking for 6 months or 12 months of direct employment, which I cannot do because I'm a student. So by the time I'm here, my vlogs is basically a representation of what I do and what I want others to like learn from. मैं बहुत चीज़ें गलत भी कर सकता हूँ, बहुत चीज़ें सही भी कर सकता हूँ, पर एट दी एंड अगर मेरे ऑडियंस को उससे थोड़ा सा नॉलेज मिलेगा, थोड़ा सा सीख मिलेगी, आई एम ऑल गुड इन दैट. To keep it very simple, my journey would be only for about fitness and my lifestyle. That's basically what it. That's basically it. मेरा फिटनेस और लाइफस्टाइल ही होगा काम, क्योंकि I I have a passion for acting, and I thought to myself कि if I have to be in front of the camera, I have to start acknowledging what I love to do in front of the camera, and this is one of the things I love, is to share, to show my journey of what I learn, what I do through a mini screen, through like a screen that you guys are watching through, basically. Today we are going to basically be hitting chest. This vlog, some of my vlogs will be very gym oriented, okay, with a lot of advices that I'll give that I have learned as a lifter. I have not been lifting for so many years. It's only been like, I think I'm almost going to complete 3 years in lifting. But so yeah, I don't have as much as experience, but all the experience that I've gained through lifting is either from my coaches, from fitness influencer, you may say, content creators out there. Okay, I will be naming them, I will be shouting them out, obviously, but like छोटा channel है तो क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. But anyways, giving them credit कि you guys also know कि मैं जो भी knowledge share कर रहा हूँ आपको through this screen is coming from where, what's the source, कि यार ये रियॉन कुछ तो बोल रहा है, पर like what's the source of all this. So yeah, today is a gym oriented vlog. Sorry अगर मैं अच्छे से बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ हिंदी इंग्लिश में, जो थोड़ा सा nervousness होता है in front of the camera, but yeah, today is going to be a gym oriented vlog, and today we'll be hitting chest. हम लोग आराम के साथ मिलेंगे and we'll be hitting chest in one of the gyms, and मैं आपको जिम भी दिखाऊंगा अच्छे से, और आपको मेरा एक चेस्ट वर्कआउट के थ्रू दिखाऊंगा. आई मे गिव सम एडवाइसेस इन बिटवीन ऑफ लाइक सेट्स और एक्सरसाइजेस, some like topics that I wanted to talk to you about, and you'll find them during this video. So hopefully ये वीडियो अच्छा जाए. Audio fuck up now, क्योंकि like this is a new mic, and I've got this mic especially for vlogging and like creating videos like these. तो अगर ऑडियो अच्छा काम किया then all in good. So yeah, I'll see you guys later today. So yeah. हम ड्राइव करके जिम आ चुके हैं, और अब मैं अपना माइक सेटअप करूँगा. माइक सेटअप करने के बाद लेट्स हिट अ गुड चेस्ट सेशन. हम लोग प्री वर्कआउट लेंगे मसल बेस का. So yeah.
एज अ प्री हम लोग ले रहे हैं मसल बेस का रैप एक्स, फ्रूटी फ्लेवर का है और ये ठीक है. और अभी हम लोग माइक सेटअप भी करेंगे, तो या प्री ले चुके हैं हम लोग, टाइम पे सेटअप का माइक
डाल चुके हैं हम लोग. होपफुली ऑडियो अच्छा आ रहा है, मैं एक बार देख लूँगा. और अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं एक गुड चेस्ट वर्कआउट करने के लिए. आई लर्न यू थ्रू इट एंड ऑल्सो गिव यू सम टिप्स along the way. Yeah. पहला वार्म अप सेट डन. अब हम विल मूव ऑन टू a working set. So yeah. Okay. हमारा पहला वर्किंग सेट 30 के साथ होगा. पहला working set 30. I usually started off with when I like a couple of months back. I usually started off with like 20, या फिर 22.5s. But as I want to overload and use hypertrophy, I'll be starting off with 30s. तो हम लोग वो 40 के रेंज में जाए थोड़ा, because I have already touched 40 for an incline dumbbell press. So for a flat bench, I need to go 30, a good working set, sprint control. So let's go. Deep stretch, let's go. Two more. Very honestly, मैंने reps count नहीं किया, but almost good amount of failure तक गया. उससे आगे उठाता तो obviously weight drop हो जाता मेरे पे, and I have no spotter. पर हाँ, I'll probably go for the same weight for the second set, and then we'll probably increase the weight for the last third set, probably to 35. So yeah, okay. Third set, at least 8 good slow and controlled reps, and we'll probably go for half reps as well. Let's see. मैं एयरपोर्ट्स पे और रख देता हूँ. चलो. Ooh, heavy. Drag these. Okay, I decided mids. I decided on my second set कि मैं third set भी 30 से ज़्यादा ही करूँगा. कि very honestly, अगर मैंने उठाया third set with 35, then probably I'll only be able to like go for like 5 to 6 reps, but with like not with good control and stretch, and we need that. Weight doesn't matter as much as long as तुम्हारा मसल अच्छे से ट्रेन हो रहा है with good hypertrophy. Let's go for that. Good. ये सब क्लिप्स तुम probably देखते रहोगे in the middle. कि first of all, one of my biggest things that I've learned during my gym journey is never decline or never reject or avoid advices, because जिम में तुमसे भी बहुत लोग who are much more knowledgeable than you, much more experienced than you will come, and people who are not as knowledgeable, not as experienced than you will also come. But at the end, सब लोगों का एक advice होता है, and when someone gives you a personal opinion, a personal advice that could benefit your training, never reject that in some way. At the end, तुम advice follow करो या ना करो, that's all up to you obviously, because it's an advice, it's not an order to you. अगर आपको कोई भी इंसान जिम में आपको advice दे रहा है, then accept it with open arms, because at the end it's your choice to follow it or not. But अगर that small bit of advice could help you grow in the gym, then why not take it? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज मैंने एक भैया भी मिले, उन भैया ने मुझे हेल्प किया फॉर माई चेस्ट फ्लाइज इन द केबल एंड दैट चेंज्ड अ लॉट. तो एडवाइस लाइक कभी नहीं लेने का नहीं है. यू फॉलो नॉट फॉलो योर विश, बट लाइक accept it with an open heart. That's what I'm saying. Accept it with an open heart, open mind. Yes.
Go for it. एक notch up कर लो.
6 पे. Okay. Yeah. तो बेटर होगा क्योंकि नाइस, थैंक यू. ये ऊपर आने के बाद वो एक बेटर अलाइनमेंट बना, शोल्डर पे ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं आया.
Sorry?
शोल्डर पे ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं आया ऊपर करने के बाद.
वही चीज़ है. अभी पता है क्या आप कर रहे थे, वो आपको लोअर एंड मिड देगा.
Yeah.
बट क्या है, वो मूवमेंट ये जा रहा है, ये जा रहा है, ये
Yup,
जा रहा है.
yes, sir.
वो अपने को अगर इतना सब ये नॉच अप करते हैं, हम उसमें करते हैं क्या नाम है, बेंच में.
हाँ.
व्हाई वी डू दिस अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस शोल्डर इन्वॉल्वमेंट.
यप
यहाँ से खत्म हो गया. वो
यप. ओके, थैंक यू.
छोटी छोटी माइंड रिमाइंडर.
यप.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Ah, nice. नाइस. अच्छा, आपका और एक सेट है ना? नाइस है भैया. सॉरी मैंने आपका नाम नहीं पकड़ा. देविन. ओके.
गुड नेम.
रियॉन. मैं आपसे बार बार पूछता रहूँगा. आई फॉरगेट नेम्स. आई एम सो सॉरी. लास्ट से जा रहे हैं हम लोग. गुड हैवी. We'll try to push to 8 reps. That's our goal. To failure, and we'll half it, as Sam Sillet does. Half rep it always when we're close to failure. Or if you have reached failure, go for half reps. Nice stretch. Good exercise. 2 exercise में chest pump आ जाता है. और क्या चाहिए? We're gonna do machine chest press. I personally like the machine chest press because first of all, you don't need to worry about stability. क्योंकि हम लोग ने एक pressing movement किया था starting में ही, एक exercise. We went with dumbbells. इसमें क्या है? You don't have to much rely on stability because it's on a machine. So we're going with chest presses, 3 good sets. Probably third set में drop set करूँ, but let's see. So yeah, we'll do a good stretch. We'll keep the weight light because heavy weight करने से then हमको जो पूरा contraction मिलेगा machine पे वो नहीं आएगा. So we'll keep the weight light a bit. Not as light कि भाई 15 से 20 reps निकल गए, but yeah, light enough that the muscle is working with good form. हमने एंड में स्लो नहीं लिया, that was my bad. Gave up midway. I was not supposed to do that. I wasn't supposed to give up midway. Set थोड़ा incomplete लग रहा है, but okay. देखते हैं आगे. Last set खींचते. Last set. Probably go for a drop set. I'll increase the weight first, and then we'll go for 2 drop sets. Like we'll drop the weight twice, and then we'll see where that leads us. Right? And I'll complete our second last chest workout, and then we'll probably move forward to chest pullovers, dumbbell pullovers. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Nice. Slippy. Fuck. Well, I shouldn't have gripped the handle. That slip हो गया थोड़ा सा end में. So this is like a lesson. Always have your grip correct, I guess. Yep. Don't do what I just did. Please. या फिर major injuries हो सकता है. Other thing is that in training, I see a lot of people trying to overcomplicate their training style. At the end, if you're coming to the gym, you need a very simple training. Can be simple but not easy. That's what I stand by. Training can be simple but not easy at all. People overcomplicate training a lot कि ये करना है, ये नहीं करना, इस चीज़ को इसी टाइम पे करना है, इस चीज़ को उस टाइम पे करना है, अगर ये किया तो पूरा ट्रेनिंग गड़बड़ जाएगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Unless and until you have good form, okay, you control your weights, you know what your goal is and what you have to do to reach that goal. That includes your dieting, your medical conditions in check, and also your training side by side along with your work activities जो तुम लोग बाहर करते हो जिम के बाहर, if you are working or if you are a student. If you are keeping all that balanced, then it is as simple as it sounds. The only thing is that people struggle with is consistency and actually giving the time to it, which is the hard part. So training can be simple but not easy. It all depends from individual to individual. Never overcomplicate training itself. Do a little bit of research. अगर you guys cannot afford coaches, अगर कोई guide करने को नहीं है, in online I follow a lot of fitness influencers, a lot of content creators who give amazing advice, right? Probably in the future videos I will mention some of them, so you guys can also go follow them and get some stuff out of them, because I personally have gotten a lot of information from them. So yeah. Okay, let's move on to some dumbbell pullovers for chest. ये हमारा last workout होगा, and we'll do probably 3 sets of the same weight, slow and controlled. Last chest workout, and then we'll move on to 30 minutes cardio, क्योंकि I'm trying to shed some fat off my body. I'm currently overweight. I have a lot of fat. I'm probably like 24-25% body fat. Let's try to drop it to, I'm trying to aim for like 20 or 19 at least. I'm trying to go for a more aesthetic build, because I very honestly do not like how I look like right now. Even though I appreciate how far I've come, I know I can do a lot more. So let's go for it. एक ऑनेस्ट फिजिक अपडेट करेंगे, राइट? एंड लेट्स सी हमारा चेस्ट पम्प कैसा गया है. प्रॉबेबली व्लॉग भी हम लोग इधर ही एंड करेंगे. after I finish some cardio and then I head back home, probably play some games, do some work, probably edit this video as well. So yeah, ये मेरा पहला vlog है, and I'll also be giving my BMI report right now in the screen. I don't know अगर मैंने पहले से कर दिया है नहीं, पर yeah. I'll tell you all my in the next video. I'll tell you my goal and what plan I'm going through to reach that goal and to see अगर हम goal पहुंच सकते हैं नहीं, and we'll document it. So yeah, okay, see you.